Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best Callaway irons for beginners. After hours of researching, we have selected these best Callaway irons for beginners and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability, and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Callaway Mavrik Max irons. While the other sets on our list are designed for golfers with higher handicaps and beginners, the Callaway Rogue ST Max irons are designed for golfers with a medium handicap. The Rogue irons are point and shoot. The clubs do not hesitate to maximize distance. The pitching wedge has a loft of 41 degrees, but it is supplemented by an abundance of technology, such as 450 face cup and tungsten weighting. The addition of urethane to the club head produces a crisp and clean sound from the club face, enhancing the feel of mishits. Differentiating between mishits and sweet strikes is somewhat tough, but this is a minor issue when the desired outcome is achieved. When more accuracy and greens in regulation are desired, the Callaway Rogue ST Max irons provide effortless contact even when you're not trying. The club face as a whole produces a high ball flight. Excellent value for money. Direct focus straight shooters, suitable for mid-level golfers. Improved visuals compared to earlier models. Cons. Due to the forgiving nature of the face, it is difficult to gauge feedback on misses. Number 2. Callaway Big Bertha B21 irons. The Callaway Big Bertha B21 irons are here to simplify and enhance your golfing experience. Although these are super game improvement irons, their sleek appearance makes one mistakenly believe that they are ping normal cavity backs. This is a fantastic option if you're a novice, high handicapper, or even a mid-handicapper looking for a game improvement iron that looks more like a classic cavity back rather than a hybrid. The clubs are sleek and striking from the rear. Pros: enormous sweet spot. Wide sole for easy gliding through the ground. Irons from super game improvement that resemble lower handicap irons. The face acts like a hybrid thanks to face cup technology. Cons. Quite little. Number 3. Callaway Big Bertha Black 2019. Truth be told, there's such little increments of improvement that if you can accept a set of irons that are anything up to 4 years old, you are going to see great gains over your current set that may be 10 or more years old. That's a good indication that Callaway Golf are producing some of the best irons consistently. Number 4. Callaway Apex DCB 2021. The mid-size sole of the cavity-backed, forged irons allows for simple turf engagement. For the greatest spring impact off the club face, the wraparound cup face hits the top line from 4 to 9 iron. Elevate ETS 85. A lightweight stock shaft from True Temper prevents an unstable club head and club face situation by speeding up your swing. The club has a professional appearance and appears to be a player's iron for low handicappers, but it performs admirably for mid-handicappers in the area of game improvement. You'll see a distance increase with stronger lofts. Although the flight is high relative to the lofts, low ball headers should exercise caution because they may encounter some narrow landing angles when approaching greens. Pros: previously a player's iron brand, Apex is now available to everyone. Dependable launch and spin with a hollow back that is forgiving. Crisp sound at contact, becoming more hollow as the irons get longer. To every green, you'll hit one club shorter with harder loft but high flight. Cons. This set just contains an AW and has no SW. Extremely expensive in terms of market value. Number 5. Callaway Rogue ST Max irons. The Callaway Rogue ST Max irons are geared toward mid-handicappers, as opposed to the higher handicappers and beginners who the other sets on this list are intended for. There's that. They are game improvement irons, not super game improvement irons. The Rogue irons are point and shoot, and they work well if you're like me and subscribe to the grasp it and rip it tin cup school of thought. The clubs aren't afraid to increase distance. Although the pitching wedge has a loft of 41 degrees, it is supported by a ton of technology, including 450 face cup and tungsten weighting. By incorporating urethane into the club head, which improves feel for mishits, the sound from the club face is clear and crisp. It can be challenging to distinguish between mishits and sweet strikes, but when the outcome is what you want, that's a minor quibble. The Callaway Rogue ST Max irons deliver with smooth strikes even when you feel like you're not trying, which is exactly what we're all looking for when we want greater accuracy and greens in regulation. Combined, the full club face produces a high ball flight. Pros: fantastic value for the money. Straight shooting point and shooters. suitably suited to mid-handicappers. The incredibly forgiving expression is interrupted by cries. Improved aesthetics over earlier iterations. Cons? The face is so forgiving that it is difficult to measure feedback on mishits. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. I hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.